Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old Yarny talk. Okay guys, just grab you something to drink, grab you a little snack. Today I will be drinking black coffee and I may put some little hazelnut cream in this. And I'm going to have some maple and brown sugar Quaker oatmeal, and I'm going to cut up an apple and put it with my oatmeal. So that sounds delicious this morning, doesn't it? Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and I'd like to say Happy Valentine's Day to each and every one of you guys. And I'd also like to say Happy Valentine's Day from Adoring Doll Clothes. Well, today is Monday's Crochet Chat. I'd like to start off and say thank you to a couple of you out there that sent me a Valentine card I just received in the mail over the weekend, and I'm so tickled over them. So, yeah, let's go ahead and see these beautiful cards that I received. So, guys, one of the wonderful, beautiful cards I received today is, look at this, guys, a teapot. You guys know how I collect teapots. My kitchen and my dining room is full of teapots. Look at that. May your Valentine's Day be blessed. This is from Sylvia and her family. Thank you so much for this, Sylvia. I appreciate this very, very much. It is just absolutely a gorgeous card. And you know me so well. And when I opened this, it put a big old smile on my face. Thank you so much, and happy Valentine's Day to you and your family as well. Now, this next card is from Kelly. And her card has these little hearts on the back. And I just thought that was so cute. And look at this. She makes these cards herself. Kelly, I am so excited over this. It is just beautiful. It says, made with love. And this is a sleeve that comes off. So I'm going to try to get this off with one hand. Okay, so I got the sleeve off. And this is what the sleeve looks like. It just slides right off the card. Yeah. And look at that. And you just open the card up and you have this wonderful note on the inside. And this is from Kelly. Thank you so much for that, Kelly. It is just beautiful. And it has little red sparkle and little white ones and some little diamond looking sparkles. It's a very pretty card. Thank you, and happy Valentine's Day to you too, Kelly. I appreciate that very, very much. Okay, guys, weren't they just adorable? I love those, and I just want to tell you guys, thank you so, so much for that. So here's my good old black coffee. I haven't put any of the creamer in it yet, but I'm going to after this video. Good. So I did put my tutorial out this weekend, and I'm so excited. Guys, you are going to love this sweater. I am in love with it. It is the best sweater I think that I have come up with, and I'm just so tickled over it. I will show you the gray one, but I'm wearing the black one, and I've showed the black one already, but thought I'd show it again. And this is, you know, I put the pockets in it so I can be nice and comfy, but yeah. So let's go ahead and look at the gray one. Ta-da! Okay, now I made the gray one a little bigger in the front here, as you can tell. I wanted it a little more roomier. And so I basically just made the panels bigger. And did I make them bigger? Okay, so here is the gray sweater. And I made it just a little bigger in the front, and so it's a little more comfier type, like more of a kind of like an oversized type little sweater. And there's the back side. Guys, I'm telling you, this sweater is the most comfortable crochet sweater I think I've ever worn. And I would highly recommend you guys going and making this. I mean, this is just awesome. This sweater. It feels so good. And I've already worn my black one out several times and got tons of compliments every time I wear it. So, but yeah, that's the gray. And of course, you know, you see I'm wearing the black one. But yeah, go check that out. I'll leave the link below for this tutorial. I definitely made the panels bigger. I say at least, the other one I left 10 open stitches, and this one I left 2 open stitches. And I'm still going to wear it because it is nice, big, and comfy. But I am going to make me another one because I love these so much that I'm going to make my next one. I think I'm going to go ahead and stick with the 10 open stitches. I might do 8 open stitches. When I say that, I'm talking about back here in the neck when you put your 2 panels on. You crochet your first panel on, and then when you get ready to do your second one, you just leave so many stitches off from the back panel where you're attaching this, and then you just start crocheting your next one on to the back panel. And the first one I left 10 open stitches, which made these panels a lot thinner, or not as thinner, not as wide. And this probably would have been more like this size. And see, it would have came in, well, I guess you could see better if I turned it in this way. And it would have came in more like that instead of, you know, like I can overlap it. But it's okay because it's kind of comfy that way. And so I'm going to stick with this. Go ahead and keep it, you know, it's good to have a good, comfy, oversized sweater anyway. And it does feel very, very good. I love this thing. Here's the sleeves. Look at this thing, guys. So, yeah, that's what I'm up to. Make you one of these. I think that you will love it. And I thank you guys for all the support of watching the video and purchasing the PDF pattern. I appreciate that very, very much. So let's go ahead and take a look at the pillow that I made for the February part of the Scenic Beauty 2022 calendar. This is with the Yarny Fiber Sisters, and I'm so tickled over this. And this video should have went out this morning before this video. So yeah, be sure and click on the link and make yourself this pillow. Okay guys, so this is the pillow that I made, and I tried to pull out some colors from the Scenic Beauty calendar. This is being hosted by the Yarny Fiber Sisters, and I will leave their links below. They are 3 ladies, 3 different channels. Is Butterfly Dreams with Jenny, Melissa Crochets with Love, and Stills to Show Crochet and Chef. And they have a giveaway every 3 months. A winner will be picked, and from the calendar, and I just think it's a lot of fun, and so I'm really enjoying this. My sister Tanya is doing this as well, and so yeah, come join this if you'd like to join in on this. Every month it's a different picture, and I went to their Facebook group page, and some people are so excited that they are like months ahead, and I just think that is so cool. Well, and you know, now that I think about it, my sister Tanya is too. She's already done March, and I think she's even done December. So yeah, I need to get on board. I need to get busy and maybe get ahead like they are. But anyway, this is what I made. I do have a tutorial for this, so go check it out. It is being released today. Oh, and then I made the back side. Hey, let's look at the back. I just made it solid purple on the back side. And this is just a pillow form. And here's the front of the calendar. It just came from the Dollar Tree Scenic Beauty 2022 12-month calendar. And these are the 3 colors that I used. They are Big Twist Value, and they are all a medium 4-weight yarn. It is grape, forest green, and white are the colors that I used for that project. I had so much fun with that pillow. Matter of fact, I have several different types of things I want to make from that. I am going to make a blanket because that is going to be a gift later on in the year, a birthday gift. And so I will be making a tutorial of a blanket to go with that pillow. And I'm very excited about that. And that will be a birthday gift for one of my sisters. Okay, the next thing I'd like to show you is I have been making this blanket for, I don't know, 5 years, maybe off and on, for like baby gifts when requested here and there. Well, my grandbaby, my daughter is doing his room in the Mickey Mouse theme. And so my sister Tanya, she made him a little blanket to go in there and, you know, just kind of go with the decor. I think this is going to hang over like maybe the rocker or something like that. I'm not quite sure where my daughter's going to put it. But anyway, so my sister Tanya said that she would make the blanket. So I gave her the instructions on how to make this. And she made it. And she did a wonderful job on this. So let me show you. It's just the granny stitch right here. But she did it in the Mickey Mouse colors. And I'm so proud of you, Tanya. Yeah, she just learned to crochet, I think maybe over the summer. And she is now making baskets like no other. I mean, she is like, her hand and her hook and her yarn is on speed dial. If you think I'm on speed dial, this girl, she's on speed dial. And so yeah, she hasn't made wearables yet, but she is wanting to. I was FaceTiming her the other day, and she's like, I got to show you these pictures, because she's already started to pull out sweaters and things like that she's wanting to make. And that really surprises me, because she, is really picky about what she wears. And I'm really surprised, put it that way, that she's wanting to make wearables. And I'm so excited at the same time. I'm hoping that she'll start, making some of my crochet wearables. But yeah, she's been pulling out some designs and stuff that she likes, and pictures, and they're not always crochet pictures. They're like pictures she sees in magazines of regular outfits, and she wants me to turn them into a crochet version. So yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun. Anyway, so Tanya, I'm very proud of you. If you're watching this video, I don't have to say if, I know you are. And I just like to say I'm very proud of you. So, but yeah, she's moving right along. Okay, so this is the gnome that I made. This pattern is from Summer's Tips and Stitches. And it was very easy to follow. And she had 3 different leg sizes that you could make, or leg lengths. And I chose the mid-length. I think if I make another one, I'm going to do the long length, because I think it'd be kind of cool having the legs hanging down off of, whatever it is I set it on. But yeah, it is really cute, and it was so easy to make. I did put a single crochet row around here, just so that these colors would tie in with this. And I made the body a burgundy color. Yeah, and it sits so well. Look at that. So thank you, Summer, for that wonderful tutorial that you have on your channel. And guys, go check out Summer. She does have lots of tips. And just as her video title says, she's a wonderful lady. Go check out her channel. And I will leave the link to this gnome. It's actually a Valentine gnome. But, you can make your gnomes in any colors or whatever colors that you want. Just like anything else that has tutorials. So, but yeah, it's very easy. And on her Facebook group page, she has a PDF that you can actually print this gnome pattern from, if you'd like the printed version. So thank you so much for that, Summer. We all appreciate that. Okay, and to make the little gnome, these are the colors that I used. They're just the burgundy with some scrap yarn. This is some red heart, I think Aran. This is teal. It is the big twist value right there. And then for the little hat, I used this. I love this yarn in Royal Gorge. And I think the white for the beard there, I used big twist value in white is what I used for that. So yeah, that was the colors that I used. I just pulled those out. Okay, guys, let's do our 365 days of prayer. You are love. He who does not love does not know God, for God is love. That's in 1 John 4:8. God of kindness, your love knows no limits or boundaries. It is an infinite resource. It's so much more than a feeling, and much more than I can rightly know. Your word says that you are love. It is a very good character. What a wonderful mystery. There are so many expressions of this lavish, loyal love that I can see in my life and all around me. The weight of your affection is staggering, and yet it is the most refreshing force on earth. It's like a cool breeze on a hot day and refreshing water in the desert. It is the strongest force in the universe. How could it not be if it is who you are? You are so good, Lord. Let my life be filled with this love that demonstrates my identity as a child of the one true God. Increase my capacity. I want to know how high, how deep, how wide, how long is your love. It may be a futile request, for who could know its lengths? Even so, Lord, I want more. Where do you see the thread of God's love? That is a beautiful devotion for Valentine's Day. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. I've had so much fun hanging out with you guys on this Monday Crochet Chat Valentine's Day. And I'd just like to say happy Valentine's to each and every one of you guys. And thank you for all the love and the support that you throw my way. I appreciate it very, very much. Just remember, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.